Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how you can digitize your church. The church digitize is very helpful for all the people, all the devotees that comes to your church for Sunday services, or if you want to, make sure that you run the church efficiently as a pastor. You want to make sure the sermons and gifts and your regular teachings, Bible teaching, small groups of Bible teaching that should be managed efficiently. Adopting a church management system is very helpful to digitize your church today. Do check out this video.
Let's talk about something super important in 2025, bringing your church into the digital age. In this video, we're breaking down 11 essential steps to digitize your church step by step. We'll be diving deep into each of these steps, from creating a killer website to building a community online and even exploring the world of church management software. First up, you need a website. Think of it like your church's digital home base, the place where people can find all the essential information about your community. We're talking service times, location, staff contacts, the basics. Next up, let's talk social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. These are your tools to connect with your existing community and reach new people. Share updates, inspiring content, upcoming events. Keep it engaging and don't be afraid to show the personality of your church. Okay, let's be real. Managing finances can be a bit of a hassle, but it doesn't have to be. Online giving platforms make it incredibly easy for your congregation to contribute securely and conveniently. No more fumbling with envelopes. Next, Google My Business. Now, you want to make sure your church is easy to find online, right? This is where Google My Business comes in. It's like a digital storefront for your church. Next, Attendance Made Easy Digital Check-in. Digital check-in systems are a game changer. They can help you track attendance, manage member information, and even print name tags, all digitally. Next, church management software, your all-in-one tool. All right, if you're serious about taking your church digital, investing in a solid church management software or CMS is a game changer. This is like the ultimate digital Swiss Army knife for your church. It can seem daunting at first, but trust me, a good CMS will save you time, reduce headaches, and make your life so much easier. Next, effortless sign-ups, online event registration. Planning an event? Online registration systems make signing up for events, classes, or volunteer opportunities a breeze. People can register from anywhere, anytime, and you get all the information you need neatly organized in one place. Next, stay connected. Church mobile apps. A church mobile app is a powerful tool to keep your congregation connected and engaged. We're talking about sermon notes, event calendars, push notifications for important updates, even integrated giving options. Next, virtual community, small groups and Bible studies online. Virtual small groups and Bible studies are a great way to foster connections and keep the conversation going no matter where people are. Platforms like Zoom or Google Meet make it easy to host online gatherings, share screens, and even break out into smaller groups for more intimate discussions. Digital resources, sermons, study guides, and more. Make it easy for your congregation to access valuable resources by creating a digital library, like past sermons, study guides, articles, even ebooks, all accessible online. And last, online accounting, managing church finances. Online accounting software specifically designed for churches can be a lifesaver. It helps you track donations, manage expenses, generate reports, and even handle payroll, all in one secure platform. Your church digitized. Start with the steps that resonate most with you and your church's needs. Whether it's building a website, engaging on social media, or exploring the world of church management software, every step you take towards digitizing your church opens up new possibilities for connection, growth, and impact. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.